So if we move further to the south, we end up in an area known as the Australasian Mediterranean Sea. And you learned what Mediterranean seas are. These are regions which contain deep basins, but they are limited in their connection with the ambient ocean. Okay, these areas here are also known as the Indonesian Seas, and they contain a number of more or less isolated deep sea basins. Some are shallow regions, some are deep regions, okay? And the list is shown here. From the South China Sea, you come to the Sulu Sea, Celebes Sea, and so on. Okay? Very, very complex regions and very limited connection between the individual seas that you have. And this region, also known as the Indonesian roof flow region, is the connection between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. There is a connection. There are narrow straits through which the oceans are connected. Okay, but I just want to talk about the locations of significant seasonal upwelling. And the well-known upwelling system is the one along the coast of Java, okay, which is a seasonal feature that happens every year. It's a seasonal upwelling system here. And in some years, it extends along the southwestern coast of Sumatra. And this is what we know as Indian Ocean dipole event. When this upwelling, it extends westward. Another significant upwelling region has been recently described is the upwelling in the Arafura Sea to the north of Australia. In this area, it's a seasonal upwelling system that you can also identify in satellite images. Before I show you satellite images, conclude this lecture, for the Arafura Sea, it indeed should be mentioned that this area includes the Coral Triangle, which is a global biodiversity hotspot in terms of significant wetlands, corals, mangroves, and seagrass. Okay, so it's all included in this significant region. Indeed, this is also the center of the so-called warm pool. Okay, the warm pool is the one that triggers tropical cyclones, and that is included in El Nino event. That triggers El Nino event.